Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E22, and today I'll show you how you can apply tempered glass to your phone. Now for this specific video I'll be using a tempered glass for a completely different phone. As you can see, the Note 22 Ultra, or 20 Ultra, my bad, not 22. And with that being said, you might be thinking that Note has significantly bigger display, and technically on paper it does. It's 6.9, this is 6.4 or 5, I believe, one of those two, 6.5. But if I take it out and just dry place it, you can see it fits perfectly over the display, as you can see. So that's why I'm going to be using this. It's from what I've already seen, a pretty universal glass which fits on most of the phones. So that's what I'm going to be using. Now actually, I don't know why I put it back in, so let's take it out. And as you can see, there's also a wet and dry wipe. Let's see if the wet one is wet, because that's usually not a thing. Yep, this one is dry. Not a single speck of moisture on here. And yes, this is a wet one, so that's a bummer. Now, to be completely honest, I don't like these wipes at all anyway, because if you see, the size of them is just hilariously small, which is what she said. And in addition, the wet wipe, when it's actually wet, has some weird solution on it which creates just these weird smudges on the display. And even when you're finishing it off with the dry wipe, it just stays there and it looks hideous. I don't like it, and I prefer to use a microfiber cloth because of this. So that's what I'm going to be using. Now if you have one, great, use that instead. Trust me, it's going to be a much better experience rather than using the wet and dry wipes. If you don't, I guess you might want to use the wet or dry wipes, or maybe try finding something else that would substitute it. Now if you're thinking about maybe using something like a paper towel, I will discourage you from this. When using paper towel, it usually leaves these like weird fibers from the paper towel on the display, so that's not a good pick right here. But like I said, microfiber cloth, maybe even your shirt might do better job than the wet and dry wipe. So if you can get anything that can clean off the display well, where you just don't see anything on it anymore, and also won't leave dust particles, then that's fantastic. You can see there's like weird stuff that it gets left off from this one. Let's see if I can just get rid of it. There we go. Nice pass on the shirt. Did the job pretty well. So right now, just get rid of any kind of smudges and dirt that is on the display. You will still probably see some tiny speck of dust settle on the display. For now, that's okay. Meaning for now, because I'm still not applying it just yet, so I'll still get rid of those in a moment. Now when it comes down to your tempered that's a reflection, tempered glass, the way I apply it would be based on if the glass has a cutout for the camera, maybe just this kind of like U shape for a camera, like let's see, I had one just a moment ago somewhere here, which I now have no idea where I dropped. Anyway, I get probably what I mean, where you have the U-shaped camera, actually like this one, which probably would mean that in your case your tempered glass would have this cutout around the camera. For me, I don't have it, but it won't really matter. But if you do, you most likely want to start off by aligning the cutout to your camera, and then make sure that it's aligned correctly on the top left side, right side. So it's not, for instance, like this, where you can see there is way more space here than here, meaning the glass is now going sideways. So make sure it's positioned in the middle. The easiest way to do it is just by pinching it like I am right now. So you can see both hands on both ends. You basically start it at an angle, just place it, and then while pinching the display, you also want to pinch or feel the bezels of the phone. This will allow you to align the glass basically what I would consider in the middle, and then lowering the angle from the bottom, do the same thing, feel the bezels, and this will allow you to just place it basically perfectly in the middle. So just keep on dropping it until it just touches the display, then you can let go, and hopefully it will be just perfectly aligned. Okay, so with that being said, I'm gonna give it one last pass, clean off any kind of dust and smudges that I have put on right now on it. Okay, stop lighting up. There we go. Okay, so I can, right now the display is basically pristine without almost any kind of speck of dust. There we go. Now on your tempered glass you'll have most likely just one side to peel off, so grab the one, peel it off. This will reveal a sticky side on your display, or on the glass which is underneath, and then apply the glass. Now if you feel that it's a little bit mispositioned, you can lift it up, hopefully get it correctly second time around. There we go. And there we go. Now you can see it's kind of like not fully on there. So just get your finger on there, press it down. And here we go. It's perfectly on. So that's it. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.